Signing documents digitally has never been easier, and today we're going to demystify Docusign for you. The process usually begins with an email. You'll receive a notification from Docusign, indicating you have a document that requires your signature. Look for a clear subject line like, "Please sign this document," or a similar prompt. Open the email and locate the prominent button, prompting you to review or sign the document. Clicking this button will securely take you to the Docusign platform. Once the document loads, you'll see it clearly displayed. Docusign is designed to be intuitive. You'll notice several highlighted fields. These indicate exactly where you need to take action, such as providing your signature, initials, or other required information. To sign, simply click on the first highlighted signature field. A panel will typically appear, offering you a few options. You can usually type your name, and Docusign will generate a signature style for you. Draw your signature freehand using your mouse or touchscreen, or even upload a pre-existing image of your signature. Choose the method that's most comfortable for you. If you're typing, select a signature style you like. If you're drawing, take your time to create a signature that looks authentic. Once you're satisfied, click Apply or a similar confirmation button. Docusign will then automatically move you to the next required field. You might be asked to provide initials in specific places, enter dates, or type in other requested text. Just follow the highlighted prompts through the document. After you've completed all the required fields, you'll see a prominent button, often labeled Finish or Sign and Finish. Click this button to finalize the process. Congratulations! You've successfully signed your document digitally. Docusign will confirm your signing and often provide options to download a copy of the signed document or a certificate of completion for your records. That's it, a circumflex euros. You're now a proficient digital signer.